Welcome. Welcome to 5 Minute Feldy, a mini Feldenkrais movement lesson. Coming to you on Wednesday morning. It's a lovely blue skies above me here in Elstonwick with some wispy clouds and very cold. So please make yourself comfortable, get settled, and you can do this sitting, standing, or even lying down. But take a few easy breaths and just notice how you're feeling right now. And it's time to do a cough, an elbow cough. So, you know this is the right thing to do, to cough into your elbow. So try doing that. Move your face to your elbow to your face. And as you do that, which is traveling the most? Do you move your arm more or do you move your head more? Try it again. Just observe how your head moves and your arm moves. Just do it with one arm the whole way through. You can do the other arm after this. So there we are. So for me, I'm moving my head to some extent and the arm to some extent. Let's pause. Let's try it a different way. Could you leave your head where it is and move your elbow up to meet your mouth? So leave your head there, bring your elbow up to your mouth and away again a few times. And feel what that's like. So you're asking your arm, your shoulder, your elbow to move more. Okay, then have a rest. Now, leave your elbow where it is and move your face down to meet your elbow. So make the head do more of the movement. And I can feel how that's making some things happen in my neck and my shoulders and my upper back and my chest. So feel that getting more movement of your head, neck and shoulders, upper back, as you make the head do most of the movement. Okay, then have a rest again. Now let's stick them together. Could you bring your arm up and put some glue there and stick that to the side of your face so your head and your arm are stuck together, and move them both up and down. And even move in different directions. Maybe think of your elbow moving side to side, up and down, maybe even round in circles. That's good. Get some nice full free movement of your whole upper body. Okay. Then stop and have a rest. Now see how you're going again with the elbow cough. Just move your head and your elbow towards each other. Then come back. And how's that going now? Let's try it. Look, we've got a minute. Let's try the other side. So try coughing to your other elbow. And now let's leave the head where it is and bring the elbow up to the head. And then let's leave the elbow where it is and bring the head down to the elbow. And then let's stick the arm and the head together and move them both around together. Feel that nice spreading out movement. Okay, and how's it going to cough into your other elbow? And feel how they all move. Well, that's nice. We've got to do both sides. So now just go one side, then the other, enjoying a full movement of arm and head. One side, come back to upright. The other side, come back to upright. Okay, that'll do for today. Or just actually finish by pausing, paying attention to how you feel. Take a few easy breaths. How are you? What do you notice now that you've done some movements? And one last time, really gently, really slowly. Really gently, slowly. Okay, that'll do. Please have a good day and stay safe, keep moving, and hope to see you again soon. Bye.